What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Credit Handler YouTube. Today we're going to talk about credit repair. Now look, I've been having a lot of people come to me and ask me, they be like, Brandon, should I do my credit myself or should I come to a credit repair company to be able to get the erroneous, inaccurate, and derogatory remarks removed off of my credit report? I simply tell them it really all depends on if you have time. It really all depends on if you have time and if you're going to dispute everything precisely, because it's a thing that it's ways that you want to go about doing credit repair. Some people just go on there and dispute things any type of way and not following the guidelines of the FCRA, and then they're wondering why they're not getting the results they want, because everything's coming back verified as accurate, and people get upset and they don't want to do it themselves at that point because they're frustrated. If you're the type of person that gets frustrated pretty quickly, then you probably should go to a credit repair company to get that done. Also, when it comes to credit repair, I'm going to give you guys a couple free gems as long as you stay to the end of this video, and also comment below and tell me what else you guys would like to know about credit. And make sure you guys subscribe to the Credit Handler YouTube because I'm going to be giving away free game each Friday and Monday. I'm dropping a video each Friday and Monday starting up, and as the channel builds, we're going to drop more videos. But back to the subject. Now look, when it comes to credit repair, you want to also make sure that you're checking your credit periodically, more times than none, because a lot of people, they might have some things that's on their credit that's inaccurate. They say up to 90% of people in the world have inaccurate things on their credit report, and most people don't know because they don't actually check their credit report. Me personally, I don't like to use the free platforms because the free platforms don't give you an accurate score as you will want. I know I done use a couple different companies. Who I like the best is Smart Credit. They're a pretty good company when it comes to actually checking your credit. That's what I actually use for my credit repair company. I have all my clients go get Smart Credit because I'm able to break down their credit analysis pretty precisely and send that over to them and get an accurate score when it comes to their credit report. If you want to know more about the Smart Credit credit monitoring app, just go ahead and click the link below. I have a link for that so you can sign up and make sure that you're getting the accurate credit report that you need. But this is how you want to do your credit report. This is how you want to do your disputes. This is how you want to do your disputes when it comes to repairing your credit. First of all, when you sending out your dispute letters, you want to ask you want to basically have the credit bureaus verify the method that they use to determine that an account was accurate. So if you dispute an account and it comes back as accurate, at that point you want to send a letter out telling the credit bureaus or the furnisher of whoever has the debt to prove to you or show you the method of verification that they use to basically determine that this account was accurate. Because following the guidelines of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, each account that's on somebody's report is supposed to be 100% accurate, and therefore if it's not, it must be removed. So a lot of people don't know that. A lot of people don't know that consumers is covered by a bunch of different laws when it comes to credit report and a lot of other things. But with that being said, like when you're doing credit repair, well, you know these laws like the back of your hand, it's easier to make disputes. Because like I said, most people just go in there and dispute everything and don't get the results they need because they're not following the laws that's in place to protect the consumer. So like if you got something that comes back as accurate, send a letter back, put RE, the reason why you even sending a letter, and put show proof of the method of verification used to determine the accuracy of this the inaccurate account that you have in question. At that point, if they don't send nothing back, basically showing you evidence, then they must delete that off of your credit report within 30 to 45 days. And if they don't, then you want to file a complaint with the CFPB, and they'll handle that. And most times out of none, they always usually be able to assist you with getting the inaccurate, derogatory, or erroneous remark off of your credit report. So like I said, when you're doing credit, it's all about having the knowledge to do it. Going back to, can you do it yourself? Yes, you can do it yourself. Most people don't feel like doing it. Most people don't have the time to do it. So they do go to credit repair companies. If you are looking for a credit repair company, go to thehandlercredit.com. We will be able to assist you with the derogatory, erroneous, and inaccurate accounts that's in your report. Like I said, click the link below. I have a link to our website and also have a link to Smart Credit so you guys can make sure that you're getting a precise score that you have. I know in Smart Credit they also show you how jobs ranking you. So just in case you might want to go get another job and you might want to see like, okay, what is my grade as far as, you know, how a job might look at me. It also has that on there as well. So be sure to check that out. Like I said, you guys, this is about credit repair. Again, when you get something that's derogatory, erroneous, or inaccurate, and you send out a dispute letter and it come back as verified, make sure you send a letter out basically asking them to provide the proof of verification that they use to determine the accuracy of that account. Again, this is the Credit Handler YouTube. Hit the subscribe button and continue watching. Comment below what you guys want me to talk about. I can answer all credit questions. I'm giving you guys free game as long as you subscribe and comment. Let's go.